Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on the development of algorithms and techniques that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, decision-making, and natural language understanding. In this article, we will explore the basics of AI and how it can be used in various applications. Types of AI. There are two main types of AI. Narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks. Examples of narrow AI include chatbots, image recognition systems, and speech recognition software. General or strong AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a wide range of tasks and mimic human intelligence. General AI is still in the research and development phase and is not yet widely available. How AI works? AI is based on algorithms that enable machines to learn from data and perform tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. The process of training an AI system involves feeding it large amounts of data and allowing it to learn from that data. This process is called machine learning, and it can be supervised, unsupervised, or semi-supervised. Supervised learning involves training an AI system on labeled data, meaning the data is already labeled with the correct output. For example, an image recognition system may be trained on a dataset of labeled images to learn how to recognize different objects. Unsupervised learning involves training an AI system on unlabeled data, meaning the data does not have any predefined output. The system learns to identify patterns and relationships in the data on its own. Semi-supervised learning is a combination of both supervised and unsupervised learning, where the system is trained on a mix of labeled and unlabeled data. Applications of AI. AI has numerous applications across various fields, including healthcare. AI can be used to analyze medical data, identify patterns, and make predictions about a patient's health. It can also be used to develop personalized treatment plans and improve the accuracy of diagnoses. Finance. AI can be used to analyze financial data, detect fraudulent activities, and make predictions about the stock market. Manufacturing. AI can be used to optimize production processes, improve product quality, and reduce costs. Transportation. AI can be used to develop autonomous vehicles, improve traffic management, and enhance logistics operations. Customer service. AI can be used to develop chatbots and virtual assistants that can provide customer support, answer questions, and resolve issues. How to use AI. If you are interested in using AI for your business or personal projects, there are several steps you can take to get started. Identify your needs, determine what tasks you want to automate or improve using AI. Collect and prepare data. Gather the relevant data you will need to train your AI system. Choose the right AI tools and techniques. Research and select the AI tools and techniques that are best suited to your needs. Train your AI system. Use your data and AI tools to train your system on the specific task or tasks you want it to perform. Test and evaluate your AI system. Once your system is trained, test it on new data to ensure that it is accurate and functioning properly. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. It is based on algorithms that enable machines to learn from data and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can use AI to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and drive innovation in various fields.